Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the background in Photoshop. Alright, to get started, I just opened an image and I'd like to remove its background. Now before we begin, you'll want to go over to your Layers panel and make sure the layer you want to remove the background from is unlocked. You can unlock it by simply clicking the lock toggle. Once your layer is unlocked and selected, go over to the Properties window. If you can't find your Properties panel, just go up to Window and select Properties. Now, in the Properties window, under Quick Actions, you'll see Remove Background, so go ahead and click that. Okay, this looks good, but I'm noticing that it missed removing this part. To fix small mistakes like this, go up to Select and click Select and Mask. In this window, first, make sure your transparency is all the way up to 100 so you can't see the background. Then, over in the toolbar, make sure you have the Quick Selection tool selected. Now, up here, you can either use the plus option to bring back footage from the background or the minus option to get rid of the extra background that Photoshop missed. I'll use that to get rid of that white light from my background. Finally, I'll just hit OK to confirm my changes. Alright, and that's looking better now. Thanks for watching and see you next time.